Hi teacher, in this occasion I'm going to follow the history. I'm going to end that. I'm going to end it using the simple past tense. Susan wasn't willing to give up her love, and she knew that she had wasted the opportunity with. So Susan swore that Joe would be for her at all costs. So Susan, like every possessive woman, followed him everywhere until he knocked on the door of the house, thinking of their plan to separate him from his wife. She thought of seducing him so that his wife Ashley would film them together. She began with the part of the plan, but Joe persisted, and Susan forcefully kissed him. At the same moment, Ashley entered and felt disappointment. Then she told him that the relationship was ending. Susan felt then that she had achieved her goal to separate the man in her life from his wife. What she did not know, what she didn't know, was that Joe hated her for destroying their only and true relationship based on love. So that very time Susan looked for Joe, he rejected her in a despotic way. A month and a half had passed when Joe remembered that in his house he had a security camera to record the behavior of his dog Lucky. Fortunately, the camera recorded the unfortunate moment. Then Joe recorded it on an USB and sent it to Ashley. She immediately returned home to her loving husband and swore to trust him more. Susan, saying that Joe will never be for her, and she didn't look for him again, and learned to live with remorse for making the best decision of her life. Thank you. This was the end of my history. Thank you very much.